Boot it up, boys. X-Men are like roaches. You see one, more are coming.
Dios. Good guy or bad guy?
Name's Cyclops. Definitely the good guy. Hang tight. Get down! How'd scum like you get your hands on Sentinel technology?
What, you freak shows think we wouldn't find a way to evolve too? Take his visor before he starts up again.
No! Don't! I surrender! Not. We get this done by working together as a team. Think you can do that, Logan?
Jeez, Dad. Keep buzzing in my ear. What would we do if we ever lost you?
Hang on, people! Solid work, team. See you on the ground. To me, my X-Men